What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here. I'm excited to bring to you a new video, guys. I'm gonna quickly unbox this video. I'm gonna quickly unbox this box. Let's look what's in there with you guys. But before we do that, guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Oh my god, I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max right now, and it is so clear. It is so lovely. I am enjoying it day by day, and yeah, this is just amazing. The videos I'm gonna be bringing to you guys with this phone, I can't really wait. All right, what's in the box? I am quickly gonna unbox with you guys. So I got this box early today, this morning, and I think a few months ago, I put a bid on these shoes on StockX, and a week ago I got a notification that I got them, but I didn't expect them. So this is an unexpected unboxing of these lovely shoes. Yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box. Put that one on the side. So these are the lovely Samba OG colorway of the Adidas, size 44 2/3. I'm gonna quickly, so this is the box, nothing too much on the box, and here are the lovely shoes. Oh my god, this is a lovely one from StockX. And I've seen lots of people with this shoe. It is unbelievable how much people have this shoe now. Yeah, I think a few months ago, as I just said, I put a bid in, and yeah, a few weeks ago, I got a notification that they are in. I was not even thinking about them, but I'm glad they're in. Yeah, I've been wanting these ones, and I didn't even buy them, so I bought them under retail. They were going for 120 euros, and yeah, these are the Sambas with this white OG colorway, looking amazing. Oh, the leather on this one is lovely too. I'm gonna be rocking this ones, definitely. This season. Oh wow, look at that. So that's the tongue, there's the insoles, Adidas on patch on that. You got the Samba on this side written. Let's see if you can get that. Yeah, there we go. You got the laces, and you got the tag from StockX. Yeah, I'm excited. Let me get the other one out too. Number 2, the Samba. Here we go. The right shoe, same thing, and the sole. Oh, lovely grip on the sole. I love this shoe. I love I think this, yeah, it's a lovely toe leather pattern on top of that. These are lovely shoes. I've been wanting this for the longest, and yeah, I might get a different colorway though. This one looks amazing, and I saw some colorway that I might just add on this one. Yeah, these are in, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Comment down below, you probably have a pair of this, because I've seen lots of this going around. It's unbelievable. I think at least everyone has a pair also. It is a shoe you can put on with anything, almost anything really, and they are very comfortable. Yeah, I got my true to size, so I would recommend you to go true to size, because they fit really well. I'm gonna try them on, guys. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.